Good day. In this video, we will explore WEKA's interface. But first of all, we would like to create a shortcut for our WEKA file in the desktop for easier access. So to do that, just click your Start menu, then search for WEKA. Then right-click here, the WEKA 3.8.6, and then open file location. And then you will be redirected to the shortcut menu folder of WEKA. Just click this one, right click, and click show more options, and then copy, and then you go now to your desktop and paste it there. So your WEKA shortcut is already here. You can access it through your desktop. Okay, so let's open it. So right click and be sure to run as administrator, and then wait for it to load. Okay, so this is our WEKA software, so you can maximize it. So this is the WEKA's interface. As you can see, there are menu here. There is a menu for program where you can exit the software, visualizations, the tools that you can utilize in our basic machine learning course, and there is also a help menu here. So if you have any questions regarding the use of WEKA, just use the help menu. Okay, now in WEKA there are five main interfaces. We have the Explorer, the Experimenter, the Knowledge Flow, the Workbench, and the Simple CLI. Each section serves as a different purpose, from data exploration to running experiments and creating data flow processes. Okay, so let's explore the first interface, which is the Explorer. So this is where you will likely spend most of your time in WEKA. It is designed for exploring your data and applying machine learning algorithms. Okay, in order to use Explorer, just click this here and wait for it to load. Okay, this is the WEKA Explorer. You can maximize it, okay, to open in full screen. Okay, so there are several panels, include pre-process, classify, cluster, associate, select attributes, and visualize. So in here, in the pre-process, you can load your file, either be from your hard disk, open from a URL, open from a database, okay, or you can also generate artificial data. Then once you have opened a data set, okay, you can choose filters here, okay. Then once there is a loaded file here, you can access the classify, cluster, associate. So let us explore that in our next videos in our course. Okay, so let us just exit first this WEKA Explorer. Okay, you want to close the window? Yes. Then let's go now to the Experimenter. So the Experimenter, you just click this one and the Experimenter environment will open. So you can also maximize this one. So it is designed for running systematic experiments and comparing the results of different machine learning techniques. You can either design simple one-off experiments or the complex one, and you can also run multi-run experiments. But in our course in basic machine learning model, we will not use this interface. So what we will use is the Explorer. Okay, then so let us close this one. Then the next interface is the knowledge flow. So just click this one. In knowledge flow, it provides a visual interface, no, for designing data mining processes. Okay, in here, no, so there are tools that you can use. Okay, sorry, it's doubled open. So you can drag and drop data sources here, algorithms and visualization tools to create your own custom data analysis process. Okay, but in this basic course, I will only teach you in the Explorer part. Okay, so let us close this one. Then we also have the workbench. So in workbench, it is a feature introduced in 3.7.8. So our version is 3.8.6. So the goal of this feature is to provide a more flexible and powerful user interface compared to the Explorer interface. It is organized around the concept of perspective where each has a particular functionality. So it's just like our Explorer. So it has the same interface, okay? But there are automated tools. So we can also use this one. Okay? Let's close it. Then let's proceed for the simple CLI. So what's the meaning of CLI? It's simple command line interface. Okay, it allows you to run WEKA commands and scripts. It is a powerful tool for those who prefer a command line interface to a GUI. So here, so it's like a command console in your Windows. So you can type, no, run like that one. Okay, so you can visit the help menu, okay, to see an overview of all the commands, as you can see here. Okay, so that's it for the interface of WEKA. I hope we are clear in this video. See you on the next video. Thank you very much for listening.